What's up, everybody? Mr. Ball back at it with a special item right here. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I'm just gonna do this on the floor. I like just sitting on the floor, opening things up versus standing. Sometimes I just like to be lazy. It's like a little party we're about to have right here. So what we have, bam! The M7 tablet. It's the Meberry, or however you say it. So I was wanting to switch out my phone to upgrade to get a bigger screen to edit. I just do basic editing stuff. I use editing apps actually, so I'm not a super pro, but these apps are like super apps, the best ones for editing, app-based anyway. And I wanted to pick up, I hate using that little pin, push pin, to pull out the card tray on the phone for the SD card. I wanted something I could slide right in, and this one has it. I don't need a pen, I don't need to keep extra tools. I can just plug and go. It's a bigger screen. To Google, runs off Google, Android 10, and very cheap on Amazon, very cheap, and you get a lot with it. So let's open it up and see what we actually get inside this package. So as you see, for one, right off the bat, that looks pretty cool already. That's the keyboard, I think. Right off the bat, you get a case. So here's the case that you get with it. You get that in the frame there. So you don't have to go buy a bunch of accessories. Again, this is going to be strictly for popping in an SD card. I'm going to have one app editing and uploading on YouTube. So there's a case, boom. Real basic, real simple, nothing special. Right here, they give you a keyboard. Look at that. It's pretty nice actually. It's Bluetooth. It's actually clicky. So that is very nice. So you get a keyboard with this. Here is the tablet itself. So let's get that out of the package. And look at that. What it is though. And the feature that I like about this is, look, I probably have to get a device to do it. There we go. So I'm just gonna leave that off and not even use it. Just gonna leave that off right there, and then you just put your SD card right there. SD card goes in, leave it there. Whenever you need to take it out, you just take it right out. I guess I could keep this on there if I wanted to. Because again, I don't need to use that push pin, so that's pretty cool. So there it is. Pretty cool, and like I said, I've already reviewed it. I've already spent hours reviewing it, and it's very nice. I just don't get how there's like a line down the front of the tablet right off the bat. Anyway, we'll get into that later. If I can't see it whenever I power it on, I'll just leave it, not a big deal. Oh, you know what? Okay, there we go. There is not a scratch. That's the film. Okay, good. There's a plastic film on this, so there's not a scratch on it. All right, whew. I was gonna be mad. So there's a plastic film that has a little scratch on it. I was about to say, it looks like a brand new tablet. Why would it have a scratch? They give you a screen protector right there. You have your book. You have a cloth. What else do they give you here? Look at that. They give you a nice little, it's cheap, takes batteries, AAA, but they give you a mouse with it. I can precisely edit without using my finger. When I need to go to 12 instead of 13, I can do that with a mouse. So I think that's going to be really cool. What do we have here? We have, it is a USB, well, you have your regular USB and then you have your USB-C. This actually charges with USB-C, so that's good. There's that. You get your brick charger. You have another, oh, this is the regular USB cable that it comes with, the old one. You have a USB-C to USB, whatever that is, adapter. And last but not least, you have, it's a cheap one, but you have a stylus pen. So there it is. The tip of it's just a regular ball. So they give you quite a few things with this. The main thing is that keyboard. So that's pretty cool. And let's go ahead and power this on and Let's see what we got. Let's put this here. It's pretty nice looking. Wonder if that has a battery in there. I'm assuming it does. And there you have it. That's pretty much it. So that's the unboxing. And of course, I'm sure we'll do another video of me actually showing you how it works and how good it is, all that good stuff. But I'm going to have to set all this up with my account, so we won't get into any of that. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all on the next one.